Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Pachopi edikan Samuel Ekosi Obani me pese meti asie yi sampan me de paso aba yos ne Ekosi pese meti asie yi anopai nyame nchaje na me kohe Peace FM online na adia me ko no Peace FM online say Deputy Minister of Energy was the PDS agreement no yentwemu na ni abaye and say we declare its intention to cancel the agreement. Now say intention kwadea and you say masa it means sir, especially given the facts America for no as so and so on, so we have to be clear.
Well, and run up, I'm in the Kasawa, and I'll say, a by position is say, Uchem. But some ethnicity and a mind going to mean sorry, Precopenka say, Uchem, but a bind on the part is that we're trying to a short letter, woman, and I say, this is government's position, awaiting whatever they say.
And it is a fact, sir. See a tremor and I see in Tremor crown to me in Sinipi. ABC a trem, ABC in Tremo, ABC a family, a dream who see betrayal and so on. That is the situation now. Now, say it's very, there are so many distractions. Say it is very, very important to take note of that. Mekasa we are now, as some person Bisani say, Anyabiano. Sa ECG concession ne huhiana. Sa private involvement in the management of ECG no. Ayadepa. Ayadia kese ba ana se ehuhia. Na opening yatra omaimu ha chekakra. Ne kaipa 1980s mu ho baby. Ebra na omampani Rollins ewa ben. Abayna ka say ECG for no library wo mu to binje pelifo ebse mu timi say ECG for no library wo mu to binje enti yanko France ni yanko fa company bi wo France fa no mra no begije library samre no yakofa electricity company of France Rollins Abreso electricity company of France Samre no yetua on 28 million cedis as contract fees on the electricity bills MIN. Samre no ura kan dapa ne oil minister of national security no yet more electricity company of Ghana. Mekai pa sa samre no electricity corporation adwumayefo no ka sa agreement no emwa Ghana. Woman kasa betina ye adwuma so munya akade na o betina ye adwuma no this about 1978 there be 1988 ho baby masa ye tia electricity company of Ghana 28 million and this can mean who send America na fa omu bae no omu free hakọ no na the situation was worse than they met it. Anti Public Utility Workers Union TUC, Kasati agreement no, eventually they were vindicated. And yeah, no pay. If you had a Agricultural Development Bank, Asia and Central for Mimikobi. Mekai Agricultural Development Bank, and maybe and chair do be in Libe and fear Dukreni. Na ye nia breeding ni se bank no yanko fan crofo amfia manoni amfa nhya o monsa momo manage a bank ni begu okay privatization of agricultural development bank and ye kuti asa privatization no TUC Third World Network eko bebre ye kuti asa privatization no if you dey question agricultural development bank progress a omo ye in the last 4 years, remarkable. One balance sheet, without privatization. Your man wa kadia umfanya juano. Aye fa nipa omu woni die so omu manage agricultural development bank no. Agricultural development bank etumpon. Opani tell me yo. Goil. Anche ebia no penny for be catch say goil pa de. Say am privatize goil begu. Ye funny papa de adman show mo sama wa kadi o be adman ade. And goil is one of the leading oil companies in this country. I buy 2 petrol so crack goil is the yen to so. The bit me aton cheaply. I'm a Ghana for and so on. Maybe one can tell me. Ajumakua ya privatize ye na since 1966.
Is what Ujabakum? Aqua Vitens ran the Ghana water.
Oh, a dosu. Examples can I mean, because Aqua Vitens ran agreement hereby, and also Porto, you tell Scania Dina, Omo Koro. None your umber 2 year rise, won't be in you. Not the umber 2 year cry your chain, your umber. I know your water. Water, Aqua Vitens ran water, privatization of water. Opening, if in 1966 Bepimunde, Admekwa privatizing in Nara, Seminstratra, a moon 90% eguye as a result of privatization. Opa, a baby boy. 90% of privatized state enterprises collapsed. In fact, to the extent to say, some of the privatized enterprises are buying sign kofaya ye. Okay, Tema shipyard and dry dock. And come on Malaysia for. Masa, workers now umundi demu su shed the rot and so on. Into a channel, are buying sign ko Jiffy Malaysia for them. Say, ya privatized buying ko ye, are buying bit me and Papa Chain ya omoyo. Mekaibra FPSO Kwame Nkrumah. Womo shishanu wo Malaysia. Many journalists ko emsenda Kwame Sifaka Kraka ho ene ekohwe. Ne kofa ko mo build FPSO Kwame Nkrumah no. Adma fo no bebre ho yina tuntum te say ya. Afi yen kwoti a omo ka Igbe, omo ka Twi, omo ka Hausa and so on.
Cho.
Oh, na ko fo mu free for mu yina say o ya Ghana for near ya duma water ma shipyard and dry dock. Na nam say duma Malaysia for na enye ni yenti. Omu yina aduane ko Singapore. Eti yan contract na di ko Singapore so mu si FPSO Kwame Nkrumah mayen no. Ghana for na esi. As a Sankro for a tractor, my shipyard and driver, would you be some journalists? Sefa Kaika ho. Accountant to crown or Horukrano again, Ufitema shipyard and dry dog. And this is my Cadian Omudia, Juman, Omutra, and Memuha. Can you see a building a FPSO Kwame Nkrumah? Ya di contract no come Malaysians, keep it in the Ghana. Master, listen to me very carefully. Abra. Sa concession near the by a medania de by me kaipa no so Ghana for tijina mu password enya depa emwaye eku a omo tijina mu pa ye Trades Union Congress TUC omo ye ho press conferences ebo kokko sadie emwaye munjai omo kaya yenuanum NDC fo antie omo kaya yenuanum MPP fo antie Third World Network Bekabi Socialist Forum Nyakeka ho obi akase sadie emwaye. In fact, to be fair, MPP for penifo bi so kabi. To be fair, obi ti say opening Katie Hammond na say kwa wasa kabi mu. Katie Hammond na some work can say Electricity Company of Ghana say na me nua sampai di kan kai no. Outmoded equipment near the linti. Omun to me and expansion. Even line losses near the nano a result of lack of investment and outmoded equipment and so on. And a kada omonim no so. It is yet we carry free almost so. Not say a boy almost some more equipment near there. It can be a viable entity. Katie Hammond. Nancy Crockett may boy mon can tell me. Or MPP ni mappa. Okay. Masa, Ora Katie Hammond, that's someone who can say. I can't da hono. I buy Butoka say, Muslim ring fence a cano. Now, some way you can't have almost there. I didn't know what they call concession. It doesn't make sense. Maybe one more can tell me. Baby, I can't be ɛna ɔmo kɔyɛ ɔmo concession masa sɛ ɛkɔyɛ concession so a company a modi concession kɔma wɔn ECG were far better experience, far better track record and management skills chain company ya the concession come on. Was it ya the to me no? Oh no, Michelle. It's the come be mana be year my near all bano and you would one and so ya dear no so channel. In fact, ya a Japa Mesa oka PDS. Ubeka done a demo higher and beside say. Why no what expertise about electricity distribution or Ghana ha ECG? Na some more catcher in say. So we Ghana ha party obi ni wa or what's our expertise no change ECG. And the other thing you could ECG. There come Sabio Tafrache Nyadum, inferior company. Mentiasia, my dream one opening Nukreni. Mentiasia. Now, yeah, twi kasa ya ne kan bi ho a heading na ma men kan puto kasa mu kakra akoye se privatization no doctrinaire issue na me channel akoye doctrinaire issue in Ghana anya dia ye tre ho se adia ye ayoyi ebeboa ya na asem wayen na mom se me frɛ me hu socialist nti privatization ye se me frɛ me hu capitalist nti privatization ye Yakoya no doctrinaire issue a yenya ehun faso bibia no se etre no hwem fito ni ehun kwan a ye faso a ebeboa yen nti eno ye an aspect of this discussion a ebia yenko wie PDS so ebia daachi bi bibi fufuro so beba privatization concession na de beba eba yedwini ho yie ni ankodu sa empempenso yi opening sese me no kasai Minti obiara wo Ghana ha so ye MPP ni so ye DC ni so ye CPP ni a wo kasesa agreement ya ye koyo ye papa minti obiara se mo mati bia mo kan tell me minti so obiara kasesa agreement we pa de ya de se so ne bebo aye opening Minister of Finance ya ye nua Owura Ken Oforiata ne krata o troba elo me kan kakra bi pe krata no wa min kan ni na edikai o say Al-Quds is not authorized by its constitutional documents to underwrite counterparty and trade risk. And what say anything company na ye call insurance guarantee free wo mo enye wo mo dwuma kra so mo insurance guarantee wo mo nye bi da and wo mo nye bi so da emra no a eti company no ma wo ho kwan so be insurance guarantee anu nya mina make o Owura Ken Oforiata a wo ye finance minister and worker etosumi or say the guarantees purportedly issued in respect of the transaction is not an approved product line and nya mina make o Owura Ken Oforiata na samo worker no etosumi ensa or say the demand guarantees were not executed by authorized signatories of Al-Quds. At also 9, the letter dated 13th March 2019, forwarded by MIDA to ECG, purporting to confirm the issuance of the demand guarantees, was part of the misrepresentation in respect of the purported issuance of demand guarantees to secure the transfer of assets of ECG to PDS, as the signature on the letter was forged. Owura Ken Oforiata. Al-Quds denied the existence of the guarantees. Al-Quds refused to accept any present or future legal obligations in connection with the purported guarantees. Owura Oforiata was say criminal action will be instituted by Al-Quds against personnel and all reinsurers who might have aided and abetted the fraudulent issuance of the unlawful guarantees. Owura Ken Oforiata na kanasa na uka in sakrata we are and just uyo mamboni This a won't know mine, and I bet you have a PDS idea, no so Bonnie Beer and me. Masa akwa se wakakra osan kike bi pa wakika bebre hwe Ose Alcoud does not have the capacity to engage in such a transaction based on their net worth. Sasa Alcoud no kra ni sika na omo no company na japade na ukabo mu a they cannot perform the duties that they are supposed to have performed. Minka ni biemu. Alcoud does not have the capacity to engage in any such transaction based on their net worth. Or say, the company is not authorized to issue demand guarantees. It does not have the mandate to engage in counterparty and trade risk contracts, which involve the issuance of demand guarantees. The alleged signatory to the demand guarantees, Yahya Al-Nouri, by himself did not have the capacity to commit the company financially in any transaction of big value. As manager of reinsurance, Al-Nouri had the capacity to bind the company to the tune of only the equivalent of $15,000. It's very clear. The infractions onukra de wakase sankrofo no mudi saduma we no yemfa won koma police for criminal investigations department ni ehwehwem ni ehu kwan a ye de betwe wo maso is so very clear. Enti masa se say the yina police say de no apaska ankoyi say CPP4 say NDC4 say NPP4 yina dia tum say de ankoyi apaska. And yes, someone did be sassy at the studio. Hey, and it's a crime ban near Befaso. That's idea a dinko CBM. Number one, a decay. And it's a who near course, so whom ye. What I say to build the facts of what happened. Send a bear some facts, a bear guidance for all of us. Obi Nim, Ebi Ochina, now for Green Street, a bear president of Ghana. Ivor Green Street, the president of Ghana, he should be guided by this experience. Obi Nim Ebiana John Mahama, be president of Ghana, or be president of Ghana, he should be guided by this experience. Obi Nim Ebiana Nakufo Nia Sakoto Ababa Nibiem, Yatuba Nibiemwa, he should be guided by this experience. Entina some way, Emi the pass Yenia Sampan Kasano. O kasa bi enfa nye MPP NDC minia me no ya dwen asem no eso Ghana yina ye daachi ene edi agro no o na me che no na asem no such that ye hwe ye hu ye na edi koye MPP NDC a no kura no ebe yiram because bibi akwachew e ba ne sen ana mpanifo akuku dam ebi ye lawyer for ebi aye management for several years ebi ye consultants ni ade no mkoye ade poto say ya agu Ghana ho fin ama wan hwa ebe yire sika kase. We need to establish the facts. Now opening, the only way to establish the facts is to establish a non-partisan committee to look into all of these matters and to build the facts. That's number one.
Because you no partisan committee had that. We be nam ha no be a canavi a country but if you grab them checking Crawford background oh maybe cry no ko to ababa
asem ye bai mati yenuanum MPP for ni bia utie won a o man ne do e no model kasa obi ti seketi Hammond minim so what da ni matie no ya yenua Kennedy Japan one of the people are odi kan be kasa de na enkoye Kennedy Japan sabi o tafra to onye NDC ni Nasimo can send a ban send you kukuru electricity company man crofo a wo mu betua $1 po you just what is answer no oh MPP ni o onye NDC ni onye CPP ni onfi PNC na me che no enti Ghana ha ye tra won yehwe mu yi a ebe hu crofo a wo mu de wo mu nye sa partisans bibia even ko NDC MPP no na hwehwe mu yi na yetumi a build the facts no se na ebe ya ebetumi de tu ye hofo se ne be ya ebi NCBM beautiful nti eno ye say number he
4
there be me call number 3
aye
opening number 3 way forward ekwan bi aso no sika fa nkrofo nsam sika fa nkrofo nsam wo kan owura kanofori ata letter ya odi betu dwa ya say 11.7 and 11.5 million electricity bill a ya jeje PDS for edikodi agiram meboa saskalo omudi koma omuso omukutua ma Alkuts, and it was intended to be paid to Alkuts. Aduma omuti Alkuts mo mabe no omuntumi nya said ban na entumi nya no chena nti saskalo say yen sabeka ekwan men ne faso yen sabeka enye ska kitwa o $11.7 million eko ebede ne sabeka PDS boy be busumi nwotwini obudije light bill saskalo ehun kuntabuo no tesai ye bede ne abu saskalo hun kunta ye hina ebubete yem se masa yaka na mum ye nanwe ye sika bia kwahye baabi a ye nsabeka enu yade a ehia me kese pa enkuntabuo ekwan be ne be faso ne ebu nkunta ukasa se na ho bi o man ho na say asemi beto ho na say because I was nyan this for beka bia no ya mfa won be lose election efa we hu be efa sam we hu masa asemi beto ho ya ka beka ni enkoti a wo say MPP for be lose election o mu lose election na so win election no emfa be ho ne efa me ho ne say ye beto to ye nyoma yie na Ghana afa ne tuma pafura na electricity ya da biara and still ye dudu mu anura mi da sumu 5 hours awu musuku udi opa bi so bi o te musuku na etu betwa na yetumi ahwe ye nyoma yie na Ghana ye fa ahodie no adi mu amayen anu anehia opening way forward me and someone see should raise substantial questions about the whole idea about concession and privatization. We should come back to the drawing board. Should we hand the electricity company of Ghana to any other company? That's a fundamental question we must answer. If we all agree, if there's a consensus, so we should hand it over to another company. What kind of company should we hand it over to? What kind of company? What is the value of that company? Company is such a ECG there. Young kukuru ECG fan koma won. Company a ECG was catcher won. He has a big kukuru ECG there koma won. Company a Sabio Tafrate nim die wo ECG bi nim no. He has a big kukuru there koma won. And in the kaina no me the way forward is the most important thing. Finally, unim. And send be wo ha. And you may be what? Yeah. Hi. Opening to me, yo. Here, any PDS for an agreement. Meaning, some pine. Patrotini, pass one decade. Any PDS for an agreement. It is assumed to say, Obiara wa ye duma electricity company of Ghana. Obeka bia magana mine. Aye Juma Amagana man PDS. Obiara wo Ministry of Finance and Obia wa Bemu Biano, Obaya Juma Magana mine and PDS and so. And is a one as you could let bia. Ya Ministry of Finance, Minister of Finance, I track on my lawyer ni. Say lawyer. Shana PDS for almost shareholding structure no. Yeah, restructure now. What does it mean? What impression does it give us? Ebiana minister, Ebiana body be any trimo, Ebia, meaning Ebiana body be any trimo. But the impression it gives, and it's a PDS Nankasalo, it is also being fabricated by the government of Ghana, which is negotiating with PDS. That's a problem. Anamibwa, Anuno, Sir Rekubrabe party, Ekoyesa, it's a problem. Said that latte party, it is a problem. It doesn't matter which party does it. Yeah, I don't know yet, you know. This is the situation. Enti masa, me pese me kasa piano me ti ya pa me kakra. Em sensam no emu dududu. Oh, me ti ya pa me kakra. Enti pese me kan kitwa bi na me jamu. Me hear me how to move forward from here. Ne be hia pa se amanyo kuo ni na be dwen Ghana ho kane. Amanyo kuo ni amon dwen Ghana ho kane o. Na yemma yedo aye wo ma Ghana. Ana duwa pa ese yemma Ghana 2 pon no. Eno endi e kan. Ni afa hwe PDS ni enyema ni nyeyi. Ano no minka biem.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.